The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty presents these two parcels in prestigious Cane Island Estates right along the White River. Lots 80 to 82 are 3.3 acres, including a wooded section going up the bluff overlooking the White River. Lots 76 to 78 are a 1.5 acre parcel right along Cane Island Road. Let's join Heather and Marcia as they show us these lots.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Schaub behind the camera.
Hi there.
And Marcia Taylor.
Hey Heather. And John.
Hi.
And today we are at beautiful Cane Island subdivision. It's a gated community, paved roads, and Marcia is going to be showing us and taking us on a little tour.
Yes, we're getting ready to see 6 lots, and they're going to be sold in 2 parcels. And so you'll have the development has a septic system already in. It's for the development, and we've got a ramp here. So
Awesome.
that you can put a boat ramp so that you can put your boats in and go fishing.
Awesome.
City water.
And city water. That's pretty good.
What more could you want?
Exactly.
That's it.
Underground utilities.
Oh, all right. You got that too.
Yeah. Well, let's go on in.
All right. Right down this way?
Right down this way, John.
Right down the road. Well, Marcia, we're here at the end of a cul-de-sac on, you said
Rainbow Court.
Rainbow Court.
Yes, and the road up front is actually Cane Island Road.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about the lots, because I know there's some on Cane Island Road and then there's some here on the
Rainbow
cul-de-sac.
Court. Okay, so on the cul-de-sac we have lots 80, 81, and 82. And they start, we'll show you, you can see it in our plat, but it starts down there with that second white post, if you can see it from John. This is the dividing line between 80 and 81, and then down here the second flag is the dividing line between 81 and 82. 82 actually goes up into the woods back there. That particular lot is about 2 acres. And these 2 are 0.66 acres.
Okay, nice level building spots out here.
Very nice level building spot, and they're all being sold, these 3 are all being sold together.
Okay, so what about the lots there on the main road?
The main road we're selling 76, 77, and 78.
Okay, Marcia, we're out here on Cane Island Road.
Cane Island Road.
And tell us
yes.
about these lots that are for sale.
We have 3 lots here for sale. The first lot, they're all going to be sold together as one package. Lot number 76, lot number 77, and down here on my right is a little bit further down is lot number 78.
Okay, I like that they're all clearly flagged, and even the white stakes in the ground tell you which lot. So
have the lot numbers.
Right, easy to find when you come out here and look. And
you have electrical hookup already.
Awesome.
And then there is a septic system for the development.
And you're on city water.
And you're on city water.
Nice and level, and with the trees in the background. I like how all of the homes and the lots are spread out pretty far.
They are. Yeah, these particular lots are about half an acre.
And we are just right down the road from the ramp, so
yes,
I'm
indeed.
excited to see that.
Maybe we can get our feet wet.
And just right down the road from the lots, you have this nice little parking area and your boat ramp.
Have a boat ramp.
Well, hey Heather, you going swimming?
We're gonna stick our feet in the water.
That's right. If I had my kayak out here, I'd
It'd be
floating
perfect time.
I feel the nice little breeze down here.
Oh, it just dropped 10 degrees. Yes, yes, yes.
And John, we are just right across from Lakeview from Gaston's Resort and their restaurant and boat dock over here.
Oh, wow.
And if you listen carefully, you'll hear the peacocks.
Oh, water feels nice.
It's wonderful. There they are.
So this ramp belongs to the
The owners of the
homes.
property here.
That's right.
And we're right on the White River. One of the best trout streams in the country.
Just downstream from the Bull Shoals Dam. To find out more about this property, just go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Find out more about these two parcels along the White River. Go to enjoytheozarks.com or search for the Ozarks Team on Google or Facebook. The Ozarks Team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.